A Day in My Life as a Work From Home Mom Solo Parent Edition. Good day everyone! It's Jeff's birthday today and probably few days more hindi na ako magsa-Solo Parent Edition kasi darating na si Alex. So may kasama na ako sa bahay para mag-alaga na aking dalawang chikiting. Dahil birthday ni Jeff ngayon, isa-celebrate namin ng kami lang dahil yung family ko out of town nga at supposedly magre-resort kami. Pero nagbago ang isip ni Jeff, total nag-advance celebration na naman kami sa Disneyland, yung Hong Kong trip namin. So he just decided to stay at home. Isa lang talaga ang request niya, ang makakain ng lobster sa birthday niya. Hagoy ng bata ako, hindi ko pa naman alam kung ano yung lobster. Oy, isda lang naman ang alam ko nun. I just prepared our brunch today na spam with melted cheese at yung once a month kong kini-crave ang sardines. Minsan sardinas with miswa or sardinas with egg, basta may isang sardinas talaga akong nilalagay sa cart ko kapag nag-grocery ako dahil sometimes ito talaga ang kini-crave ko. I also had passion fruit tea that I never knew I needed. Basta I really love na nakita ko ito sa SNR pero check ko if available rin ba ito online. Our brunch is ready and had a simple meal with my birthday boy. After that, naglinis na kami sa bahay. Sabi pa ni Jeff, ba't ko daw siya pinagpapalinis birthday niya? Ay, ganun talaga nak. Minsan walang pinipiling araw ang paglilinis. So, linisin mo na yan at mayroon pa tayong bisita sa darating na mga araw. Samantalang si Cookie, nakatingin lang at buhay prinsesa. I also trimmed her nails kasi medyo mahaba na rin at ganyan talaga si Cookie, napaka-behave lang kapag nagtitrim ako ng nails niya. Minsan nga lang nasusobrahan ko at medyo nasasaktan siya so I really tried to be gentle as much as possible. Today, I also decided to clean my room dahil medyo marami-rami na rin ngang alikabok and seldom ko lang talaga to nagagawa kasi nabibisi rin ako sa mga bagay-bagay. But today, naisip ko maglinis ng 95% na alikabok dito sa table ko. Tsaka gusto ko na rin magpalit ng mga flowers dito sa kwarto. I just really needed to manage my time and allocate some to buy it kasi hindi rin ako nakapamalengke ng weekend sa local market. I'm using this Garden Lab French lavender scent na room spray after cleaning my room to give it a fresh scent sa kwarto ko and make it more relaxing. After doing the household chores, we resolved to just stay at home the whole afternoon and just relax. Masaya na si Jeff na bigyan ko siya ng Roblox kasi gusto talaga niya ang Roblox na game sa phone niya. Nagtatalon pa nga siya sa happiness at okay lang daw sa kanya na walang hotel basta mayroon siyang game. Sayang nga lang kasi na magdi-dinner kami mamaya at maiiwan si Cookie kasi bawal dun ang aso. Pagbibigyan ko na lang si Jeff sa request niya na kumain ng lobster so naghanda na kami during dinner time para umalis. Just a simple short and skirt lang ang sinuot ko and after our dinner uuwi rin naman kami agad. I found a seafood restaurant dito sa amin and I hope it will not disappoint. And then we drove our way to the restaurant and been having fun dito sa sasakyan at nag-concert ako pero ginudge ako ng anak ko ay. We went to Seafood Boil Grill and Restaurant with the hope na magkakakain kami ng lobster na gusto ni Jeff. Sayang lang at hindi kami nagpa-reserve or message them online para mag-inquire ako kung meron ba silang available na lobster but they don't have the lobster that we wanted. Slipper lobster lang ang available sa kanila so we grabbed it na lang. We ordered a seafood boil with a slipper lobster and 2 big crabs na worth 1 kilo. This is so massive para sa aming dalawa ni Jeff. The place also has a live band playing. In fairness na Jeff, nagutom na siya niyan at napakarami ng kinain. Later, I realized wala pala siyang cake. Napaka-random talaga nito because we supposed to celebrate his birthday sa weekend at ngayon nga lang namin naisipan na ngayon na lang i-celebrate. When we headed home, nag-take out na lang ako ng slice of cake and coffee dito sa Starbucks and we will just share a slice of cake together kasi hindi rin naman kami maraming makakain na cake. We lighted a candle and told Jeff to make a wish for his birthday at even though kami lang ang nag-celebrate ngayon, this doesn't make it less worthy. This is priceless for me kasi sabi ni Jeff is already so satisfied with his birthday trip so the seafood and cake is an extra. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!